Well, same place I caught that little pike. I got a pretty good walleye. Probably 23-incher on Grubster again. So we'll get him in, get another cast. Fishing a hump. Well, the mayfly sure hatched out again last night, but it's not bothering the fishing too much. This is a nice eater, maybe a little too big. A lot of mayflies though. Look at all them nasty guys. We'll let him go. Fish number 20 on the line. Acting like another decent walleye. Yep, nice one. 21 incher. Just let him go. All on that finesse fish. After 20 bottom feeders, I finally hooked a good fish. Bass. Up on that same, not very big though, about 15 inches. But it's the first bass of the day, so that's a good sign. Maybe they're finally moving out on these humps. I'll move to another reef. I've been trying my big swim bait. I had a bump here, but missed them. Ooh. Another big Waldo. This is my heavy rod, 6-pound line. I ran out of the size jig I was using. Well, it's a little bit heavier head, so I went to 6-pound. Get some hang time. Another nice 22, 23 inches. The last one was 22 and a half. Next cast. Spot lock like going drifting me right across the spot, so I had to come back. The wind picked up too, just now. There's a lot of bait and stuff down there. You can see that. So, I'm not marking any fish. Another nice big wallow. This one's about 21. I'll let him go. Next cast. And a finesse fish. This one ain't as big though. Coming in. Well, he's getting bigger. Fish 24, that's the minis I caught Tuesday all day long, and it's only about 1 o'clock. This would be an eater here. So they got real fussy. There was one under the boat. I teased him forever, and he wouldn't bite. So I went to an 1/8-ounce jig head and a ripster. More subtle thing, working a lot slower. And first cast, a big old Waldo. See him down there. That was dandy. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't get that one to bite. Well, there's 2 of them under the boat. They come up and sniff it, go back down, come up and sniff it. Ooh, that's some dandy there. 25 inches probably. Yep. Middle of the day, they're getting a little bit more piggy. So, 1/8-ounce jig head instead of that 1/4. Oh yeah, this is a nice fish. Big old fish. How did you do that? There's a 1/8 ounce head and a ripster, nice big walleye. Measure him just for fun. And get the hook up. We'll measure him. Oh, not as big as I thought. 23½. There's the ripster on an 1/8 ounce. Got two other guys fishing on top of me here. I hooked one of them by accident. He swam right into my line. I'm afraid to cast. I'll hook them again. Now we're talking good fish. Bass on topwater bait. They just don't quit. One more. Alright, we'll get him off and let him go. That's a nice one, about 17 incher.